So today we're going to be taking a look at some of the best CD rates available for you. We're going to talk about some of the different banks that you have access to and their current rates and what the term limits are going to be. So we're going to actually hop over here on the desktop so you can take a look as we go through this list, and I'll also be talking about some of the pros when it comes to all of these different companies. So you can see here, the first one on this list is going to be with Marcus by Goldman Sachs. First and foremost, there is no monthly fee here. There are a variety of different CDs and terms. As you can see here, I'm kind of cycling through them. At the 9-month rate seems to be the best at 4.3% APY. There is, though, however, a $500 minimum balance on this. You could actually see it right over here on screen. They also have this really cool feature here called the 10-day CD rate guarantee, which if the rates actually go up within the first 10 days of getting your CD, like let's say it goes up to 4.4%, you will have that automatically get bumped up for you on your CD as well. Now, next up here is going to be with Discover Bank. Now, Discover does also have a couple of different tiers here when it comes to terms. Their 9-month term is 3.8 APY, but our 12-month over here you can see is going to be at a 4.00 APY. Now, there is actually no minimum deposit for online CDs with Discover, and of course it is FDIC insured. There's a very low entry barrier since you don't have to have any type of limit. And then you can also see they even go as low, if I scroll down here, as 3 months at a 2% APY if absolutely needed. Now, as we continue on with this list, if any of these banks have really good CD rates that you want to go with, we're going to have them all linked up in the show notes down below. That's going to take you right to their home pages to go ahead and open an account with them. Now, some of those links will help support us out with an affiliate to be able to continue to make more free content just like this. So next up here is going to be with Barclays. Now, Barclays does have a couple different types of term rates, anywhere from 6 months to 60 months, but you could see right over here, their APY on their 12-month is going to be the most attractive at 12%. Now, you can also see here there are no hidden monthly fees or minimum balances to open up an account. So next up here is going to be with Ally. You can see right over here their high yield certificate of deposits. Their 9-month right now is at a 4.00% with no minimum deposit to be able to open up. You can go as low as 3 months for 2.9, or you can even go as high as 5 years at 3.5%. Now, with Ally, if you actually already have a CD with them and you continue to renew that CD, you actually get a 0.05% loyal reward when you renew any of your CDs. And similar to the Marcus Bank, you can see right over here, Ally also does have a 10-day best rate guarantee. So if those rates do go up within that first 10 days, you also get that nice bump up in APY. Now, next up here is going to be with Synchrony Bank, and you can actually get up to a 4.35% APY with a no minimum deposit. Now, this one is going to be for 13 months. Now, for their term limits, they're anywhere from 3 months all the way up to 60 months over here. They even have a little calculator for you to put in your initial deposit in the term of the months. And what's really nice too is Synchrony Bank does actually have a 15-day higher rate guarantee, which is higher than all the others we talked about, which means if the rates go up within the first 15 days, you get that bump up as well. Now, next up here is going to be with Capital One and their CD rates. And you can actually see right over here, they have quite a few different ranges here. If you want to go with a 12-month, you can actually get up to a 4.00 APY. And there are no minimums when it comes to opening up a CD with Capital One. And probably my favorite thing about the Capital One is here you can actually have the interest that you earn in your CD go into any of your other accounts, so you do not have to have it compound within the CD itself. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the links to these companies will be in the show notes down below for you to go ahead and check out. Some, but not all of those links will help support us out to continue to make more free content just like this. Now, speaking of free content, I actually went through the process myself of opening up a CD, and so I recorded that one right over here for you so you can see all the questions it will ask you when going through that process.